What's up, winners? On this channel, we learned to see through manipulation. After we finally have a clip of Meghan's horrendous appearance on the Australian cooking show. It's a short one, but we can only handle so much Meghan. Oh, look how elated she is. Just awful. We're gonna watch through it. She always looks so elated when she's the center of attention. Again, I always think of Emperor Palpatine when he's taking over in Star Wars. You know, it's the evil one that controls Darth Vader, and he's like, yes, it's mine. And you know this is, I mean, it's a show, so it's staged, but you know, obviously, Meghan approves everything. She's a huge ego. Like, look at this. What is it? Like, the lights. It's just so over the top. Like, look where I'm this huge star. It's so egotistical. It's just over the top. And of course, they call her the Duchess of Sussex, which is absurd. Completely absurd. Gosh. Now, this one, credit revealing the narc. I've covered this before, but great job by her. I didn't even notice this particular part. Listen to what Meghan says right here. Assuming Twitter can even handle Meghan's ridiculousness. Looks like it's frozen. But listen to this.
I gotta get these kids home. I'm gonna go take a picture with them.
What up? Ridiculous. Literally, Meghan, I gotta go take a picture with them. Of course. Great point. I've already covered this video, but I didn't get that. Now, something that's a little upsetting is Meghan a Leo, which I have Leo. He's not named after the astrological sign, but gosh, Meghan's ruining it. I don't really have much to say about this. It's just weird. By the way, everyone, I am a little bit stressed. Leo is having some health issues. He's like losing the hair on his tail. I just got some tests from him today. They cost a ton of money, and I need to get more tests for him. Unfortunately, he has chronic health issues. Again, it's totally optional if people can do it, but if you like, I will leave a PayPal link. Poor guy. You know, he's all right, but it's pretty chronic. This is a little worse than the last few times. You know, I don't know if you guys know, he barely survived being a puppy. He's the only one who survived of his litter, so I think he has chronic kind of digestion issues and stuff. Anyways, thanks everyone for tuning in. I'll see you all